Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will start working on the UI to show the heart and comment icon. So here, instead of this div, I'll be using React fragment. So I'll just remove this div. Okay, so now we are using React fragment, and here I'll be taking a div, and here we need to add some class names. So class name that is equal to flex flex justify between, and padding will be 4. Let me close this div, and inside we will take one more div, and here I'll add some class name that is going to be flex. Okay, let's close this, and we need the SVG for the heart icon. So let's go to the browser, and here we will go on a site called Hero Icons, and here I'll search for heart. Okay, so this is the first one. I'll just copy the SVG, and let's go back here, and I'll paste it. Okay, let me just save. So now it is formatted. And now let's import this action.js inside the index.js file. So here I'm going to import actions from actions. Okay, and after the image here I'll say actions, and now we need to pass the props. So the first one is doc id, that is going to be content dot doc id. Okay, and the second one is total like, that is going to be content dot likes dot length. Okay, third one is liked photo, that is equal to content dot user like photo, and this user like photo which we are getting from the service file. So I'll just go to services. So here, as you can see, we have manipulated this. So user like photo, so this is coming from Firebase service file. Okay, so content dot user like photo. Then there is one more prop called handle focus, and here we are going to pass the function called handle focus. Okay, let me just close this, save this. Okay, so these are the 4 props which we are getting inside here. So as you can see at the top, doc id, total likes, like photo, and handle focus. Okay, so now we are going to use the use ref. Okay, so here I'm going to say const comment input equals to use ref initially, and initially it will be null. Okay, and here I'll create a function called handle focus, that is equal to an arrow function. Here I'm going to say comment input dot current dot focus. Okay, let's save this file. And now inside the action.js file, let me close this Firebase file. Now inside the action.js file, I'll add some CSS classes inside the SVG. So here I'll say class name, that is going to be width 8, margin right 4, select none, cursor pointer, and here I'll take a $sign, curly braces, and okay, so here we need a backtick key instead of double quotes. So let me just change this to a backtick key. So then we can use this variable. So toggle light. If this condition is true, if it is true, then I'll add a class called fill red and text red primary. Okay, and if it is not true, then we will add a class called text black hyphen light. Okay, so let's close this. Let me just save this. Okay, class name here. We are going to save this file. I think here we need the curly braces, and after the backtick key we need the curly braces. Okay, so now this is fine, and we need the on click function. So on click equals to handle toggle like. Okay, let me just save this file, and now let's check in the browser is it working or not. So I'll just go to the application. So here, as you can see, we have the heart icon. If I click on it, okay, it is changing to red but giving some issues. No document to update. Let me just check in the Firebase. Photos. So here we are not getting the like. So what is the issue? No document to update. Project Instagram database default document photo. Firebase error. No document to update. Let me just refresh the file again. So once I click on this like icon, so we are getting this error. So let's fix this. So here what it says is no document to update. So here the name of the collection is incorrect. It should be photos. Okay, let me just save this file. And one more thing we need to do for the icons. Here already we have a class name, so here we need to remove the class. Okay, let me save this file, and now let's check it in the browser. Let me just refresh it. So now if I click on it, so now the heart icon is red. If I refresh, so it will stay there. So the red icon is still exist. Okay, so let me just go to the Instagram Fireplace database. Okay, and here as you can see, this is the collection npg. So here as you can see we have this like. Okay, and if I click it again, so now that is gone, and here you won't see the like. Okay, and once I click it again, so the like will come again. So let's keep as it is. Okay, and let's move on to the comment icon. Okay, one more thing we need to do is on key down also we need the function to run. Okay, so what we have to do is here I'll say on key down we need to take an arrow function, and here I'll pass the event, and here I'll add a condition that if event dot key is equal to enter. Okay, then let's run the function which is handle toggle light. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so this we wanted, and now let's take one more icon for the comment. So let's go back on hero icon, and here I'll say comment. So which icon, comment or message, you can type it. I was just looking which one we need. So let's take anything. Let's take this copy of SVG, and here I'll paste it after this SVG. Okay, and I'll just remove the class, and I'll add the class name. So here I'll say class name that is equal to width, that is going to be 8, text black light, select none, cursor pointer. Okay, let me just save this file. And what else we need, let's go and check. So here is the icon. Okay, yeah, it's looking good. Then what else we need? These are the two SVGs. Then here after this div, we will take one more div, and here I'll say class name that is equal to padding 4, padding from left and right 0. Then we'll take a p tag, and here I'll say class name that is going to be font bold, and here I'll say likes. Okay, we need to show the likes. So likes if equals to 1, okay, then if this condition is true, then we need dollar likes. Okay, we need to show how many likes are there, so like. And if this condition is not true, okay, I think we need a backtick key here, so let's add a backtick key. Okay, and here also we need a backtick key. So if this condition is not true, then we can show dollar likes, sorry, likes. Okay, if it is single, if it is one, then it will show one like. Okay, and if it is one more than one, so it will show two likes. Okay, so let me just save this file and let's check it in the browser. So here, as you can see, we have one like. Okay, if more than one user liked it, so it will show two likes. So this is how it is. And now we will show the comment. So for that, we will create one more file as a folder, sorry, footer.js. So inside the post, I'll create one more file, footer.js, hit enter. And here I'm going to say RAFCE rest tab. Okay, and let's make the F capital. So now inside the footer, here let's first import the prop type. So prop types from prop type. Okay, and we need to destructure caption. Okay, and we need the username, and let's work on the prop types first. So let's do a footer dot prop type equals to an object, and we need caption that is going to be prop types dot string dot is required. Okay, and the second one is username, that is again prop types dot string dot is required. Okay, let me just save this. Okay, and let's continue working on the HTML. So here inside the div, I'll take a last name that is going to be padding 4, padding top 2, padding bottom 0. And here let me remove this text, and here I'll take a span tag, and inside the span tag we need a class name that is going to be margin right 1. So margin right 1, font that is going to be bold. Okay, and inside the span we will take the username, so curly braces username, and after this span I'll take one more span, and here I'll say caption. Okay, let me just save this file, and we need to import this inside the index. So here I'm going to say import footer from /footer. Okay, and after the actions I'll take this footer component, and here I'll say caption that is going to be content dot caption, and username that is going to be content dot username. Okay, let's close this footer component and let's check it in the browser. So as you can see, here we are getting a comment, Carlos, Saint George and the dragon. Saint George. Okay, all the comment are same because I just I just used only one comment inside this. So as you can see, we have only one comment. The caption is St. George. For every photo, there is only one same comment. So if you change this, you will see different comments. So this is it for this video. I think we have almost completed this comment, and in the next video, we will work on the comment section. Okay. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.